Source: Apoorva Bharadwaj, Android Central. What you need to know. Last week, Xiaomi revealed its global MIUI 13 rollout plans. However, the company was mum on when the update would roll out to Mi on Redmi phones in India. Xiaomi India has now finally confirmed that the update will begin rolling out to eligible devices starting in Q1 2022. The update is slated to reach the following 10 phones in the first wave. As confirmed by Xiaomi India Managing Director Manu Kumar Jain, the MIUI 13 update will also make its way to more of Xiaomi's best Android phones in the Xiaomi claims the MIUI 13 update will elevate the core experience for users. The latest iteration of Xiaomi's custom skin is based on Android 12 and brings an optimized file storage system that is claimed to improve storage efficiency by 60%. There's also a new RAM optimization engine that helps increase background process efficiency by 40%. Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. Lalamove Eseng Maze Eseng Duan Eseng Thanthi Ream Tennessee 33 Bath, Lalamovies Van, Donhold. MIUI 13's processor priority optimization ensures your phone delivers higher performance when you're gaming or using other apps that can benefit from faster processing. Another nifty feature that MIUI 13 brings to the table is called Smart Balance. It can automatically find the balance between performance and power consumption to give you slightly longer battery life. Xiaomi has also made it possible for users to access their favorite apps with just a swipe. The new sidebar in MIUI 13 is designed to enable a superior multitasking experience by allowing users to pull up multiple apps at once and swap between them quickly. The feature can be customized with up to 10 apps in the Enable that 2FA. Secure your Ring account by enabling two-factor authentication. Smart doorbells and cameras are a great way to add a sense of security to your home, until, that is, they become a backdoor for unwanted virtual intruders. Keep them out with two-factor authentication. New on Peacock. Here are the best shows on Peacock right now. NBC's Peacock streaming service offers subscribers access to a ton of free and premium content. With so much to choose from, we've rounded up a list of the best Peacock shows available for your viewing pleasure this weekend. Android. The camera you have might just be the best camera. Keep it simple, stupid. Those are bold words, and while not very polite, are a great way to keep things in focus, pardon the pun. When it comes to the camera, though, phone makers throw common sense out the window in a rush to grab all the buzzwords. So let me break it down. Plenty to love. These are the best Xiaomi phones you can buy in 2021. Xiaomi is the brand to beat in the value segment, and it offers excellent phones ranging from $100 entry-level options all the way to $700 flagships. These are the best Xiaomi phones you can buy in 2021.